So here we are on a beautiful March day. It's going to be almost 70 degrees, hard to believe, but spring is on the way. And we're going to all get a lot more active very soon. For those of you who are like me, who like to garden and do things around the house, it could become challenging though, because as we get more active, we get more aches and pains. So a couple of things I want to talk about. Number one, a beautiful day like this, you want to get outside and you want to get some sunlight on your face, on your hands, maybe your arms. Just 20 minutes, that's all you need, and that gives you a very robust amount of vitamin D for the day. And so that's the best way to get vitamin D, is to let the sun shine on you. You don't want to overdo it, of course, because you don't want to burn your skin, but 20 minutes is all you need to get some good sunlight so you can get some vitamin D. Another thing is, make sure you warm up and stretch before you either start raking, picking up sticks on the lawn, or get into some gardening. You know, we all like to get out and now clean up all the wind-blown leaves that came all back to our planters and our gardens. So as we get in there and we get on our hands and knees, we start picking things up, you want to make sure you're warmed up. And a good warm-up shouldn't take any more than 8 to 10, 12 minutes. And a good warm-up might be on a treadmill or an elliptical, a stationary bike, something like that. Those are the kind of things you can do to help set the stage for a healthy, non-injury producing work schedule around the house. So warming up for 8 to 12 minutes is important. Stretching, of course, very important. As a matter of fact, if you want more information about how to stretch your hips and your back really well, click on the link or DM me or get in touch with me somehow. We could always send you some good stretching. I have a series of 10 stretches for the hips and back that are great for this time of year. And so, you know, as we get more active, you want to be careful so that you don't develop elbow problems, shoulder problems, back and hip problems. And so, you know, just stay healthy, stretch well, warm up first, and limit how much time you spend each day out there. You don't want to overdo it on your first weekend of going outside. I'm always available if you need some help. Remember, stay informed and get adjusted.